Okay, let us now apply the TRIS process. This tool for your process, basically, what we are told is that you need to create ideas for your process, basically the nitrogen consumption, right?
Yes.
And now here we need to look into the order 40 inventory principles with respect to the application. Okay. Now the first step, what you need to do is you need to identify order functions. Okay. Higher order function, project objective, design functions, one-time function, order time function, lower order function, critical logical part, and higher order functions. Okay. All these functions you need to carry out. That should be the first step. And next step is that, as I was telling, if you want to improve one parameter, the other parameter will also get affected. Okay. So you need to see what is the parameters that you want to improve and what is the results that you are going to get out of that. See, let us say you have given some of the ideas, some of the things. Okay, what is the idea? So you have found that during initial lifting, the nitrogen used to be 900 to 1000 meter per cube per hour, but now it takes 400 to 500. So if you want to reduce this, what can go wrong? Okay, so you see, you're going to reduce the consumption, right, from 900 to 400. What is the advantage of this? What is the advantage of this?
We will save the utility power, nitrogen consumption, cost saving.
Okay, to reduce the consumption. Okay, which means to reduce the, the consumption. Okay, and to reduce this, how you are going to reduce this from 900 to 400? How you are going to reduce it? How you are going to reduce that?
Initial, it was the design factors. Based on design factor, later on we will see what is the consumption. When we are designing, there is the probability that what you are get the material, the design is for the up to the 10-15 mm size. But when you really operating the system, you are getting hardly 5 mm or 6 mm or 8 mm. But the design is for 15 mm to 20 mm. So what is the design factor and what is the actuals? That gap is given the opportunity to optimize the process.
Okay, which means the complexity is there, right? Complexity of control is there. How to control that? And in order to improve the productivity, it will also help you to increase the productivity, right?
Yeah.
And the parameters to improve is productivity, and the conflict is going to be complexity of control. Okay. Yeah. And now what you have to do is you need to apply this four principles. Okay. Principle number 35, principle number 18, 27, and 2 to find out some of the solutions for your for this. Okay. And I told you, in addition to this 4, you can also look into the order 40 inventory principles.
Okay.
So let us see what this 4 is all about, and we will see is there any idea we are going to get. Okay. So first one should be kind of 2. Let us go with the 2. Okay. The first one is going to be physical or chemical properties. Or let us go from order wise. Let us take the number 2 principle called taking out. Okay. So here you need to see you need to see some of the ideas, how you can create ideas using this. So how you can take out, how you can take out, say for example, you need to have a separate interfering part or property from the process. You need to have a single movement or single process, such a way the unnecessary movement or unnecessary handling or unnecessary thing can be taken away. So here the taking out for this aspect irrelevant to your problem statement here is, what is your problem statement? Your problem statement here is, what is your problem statement? You have to take you have to reduce the nitrogen consumption from 900 to 400. Okay, so you have to take away some of the values, some of the nitrogen. Okay, how you are going to take away that, or how you are going to avoid that? Taking out is nothing but how to avoid. Okay, how to avoid nitrogen consumption. Is it right?
Okay, sir. We will go through it. We will detail exercise it, and we will submit the document, sir. We will do this exercise.
Okay, so you need to look into this how the way you need to find some way how to avoid nitrogen consumption. Okay. And coming back to the next one, 18th principle called mechanical vibration. Okay, when we are going for the mechanical vibration, is there see when you are going to how you are going to reduce it? Can you tell me the way how you are going to reduce it?
Our exercise is during initially there was the high pressure control. Then slowly we will optimize it. Like initially we are starting at the 2 bar pressure. Then step by step we will see 1.8 what happening, 1.5 bar what happening.
Okay. So this is very quite interesting. You are also going to reduce the cycle time, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And now what happens is you said something related to the size and other aspect, right? So you also need to see is there any vibration will happen because of this. So if that is the case, you need to create some ideas to eliminate this vibration also. Okay. What is the current size? What is the current size of the nitrogen particles? What is the current size?
राजेश कुछ बता सकते हो अभी क्या साइज आ रहा है? I think 10 to 12 mm.
अभी सर 12 mm.
Okay, and what is your target? What will be your target?
Yes, sir.
No. After now, how much you are going to have the value?
अभी 400 में चला परसेंटेज रनिंग एट 400 nm per hour.
इसका ये फ्लो रेट का
हाँ अभी कितना चल रहा है?
अभी वही 400 to 500.
No size. Whether the size will remain same or it will vary.
The size is verified, sir.
No, this 10 to 12 mm is what? 10 to 12 mm is what? And
the material lifting
size.
Yeah. राजेश अभी लोग चेंज भी करेगा 15 से 20 mm भी करेगा यही चलेगा
इसका सर मैंने 2 दिन अभी जैसे सर आज मटेरियल का शॉर्टेज है तो आज वो मैंने करीब 15 to 20 दे रहा है
आज बड़ा साइज दे रहा है
जी सर
So when you have 15 to 20 then the consumption of nitrogen will be higher, right?
सेम रहता है या कुछ चेंज होता है राजेश
ये चेंज होते रहता है सर मैंने फ्रीक्वेंटली मैंने सेम मैंने नहीं चलता है दिन में 2 बार से 3 बार चेंज होता है सर
यस
ये शुक्ला ये क्या स्क्रीन वो लोग बार बार चेंज करता है
हाँ करता है सर
ओ स्क्रीन चेंज करता है उसका
हाँ
ओ ठीक
Yeah.
We will do, sir, exercise into detail what you have given the 14. We will go through it and we'll do this exercise, sir.
Yeah. See, now you need to create ideas like
yeah.
Okay, this is the way. And what is the next one? Okay, so these two we have seen. What can be the other thing? Say for example, you need to find something cheaply disposable. Like if you want to. Even you can look at 27 and 35. Okay, what is the 27 principle says? Okay, 27 and 34, right? 27 is you need to replace an inexpensive object with multiple of inexpensive objects comprising certain qualities. Even if in case if all this is not applicable, then you can neglect. Okay, if this is not applicable, you can eliminate. And come back to the 34th one. What does the 34 says? You have to discard and recover. Okay, you can discard some of the things so that you can eliminate it. Okay, this is the way. But what I suggest is you don't look only at this four alone, but you try to look at all the things so that you can try to get a lot of ideas also. And coming back to the next one, okay. Earlier, see, you are going to reduce the cycle time. Okay, so how to when you're reducing the cycle time, which means your productivity will also get increased. And what will be the issue when you are reducing the cycle time? What can be the issue? What can go wrong? Is there any complexity you are going to get? Complexity of device, something? Then you can also look for this for like equipotential means without affecting the process, you need to create ideas. You can also move to another dimensions. Okay, the values what you're telling. Okay, even you can look for some of the replacement. If you have mechanical tool and electronics, you can also look for it. And you can find out some of the intermediate, some temporary solutions. Okay, so that you can use that temporary solution as a permanent solution for you to improve the process. Okay, and
Okay.
and what else? Yeah, you are also trying to get some of the ideas like the leakage, whatever you are getting, leakage from the wall joints. Now it needs to be arrested. Okay, these are the ways where you can also increase the productivity. Okay, and definitely these ideas will be falling under some of the inventive principles. Okay, and even whatever you are telling here, you need to check it on regular basis to avoid the leakage. Okay, this will also increase the productivity, which means you need to see what can go, like what are the difficulties that you have, and those things can be taken as an idea using this 40 inventive principles. And coming back to one of the important thing, uh, like uh, uh, like an observation was found that the lifting tanker life is going to be 6 years, and the tanker is consuming more nitrogen during time lifting. Yes, reason is that the fluorescence pads inside the tankers become clogged and damaged. How to avoid the fluorescence pads inside the tanker to become clogged and damaged? Okay, you also need to see some of the ideas where you are getting the fluorescence pads, who is the supplier. Okay, can you go for the new supplier? Can you go for new variants or an improved one with advanced technology, such a way it will help for not getting damaged or not getting clogged. Okay, in that way also you need to go in for it, and then you have to analyze it, and the leakage what you are getting. Okay, how you are going to arrest the leakage. Okay, what are the methods you have? Okay, and it is also related to process. Okay, now you are going to arrest the process, but basically the equipotential. Okay, so this equipotential comes into process here. Equipotential is nothing but you are going to change the dimensions, or you are going to change some of the process, considering a way it will not affect your existing process. Even if if you arrest the leakage, it will not affect your current process also. And then you got an idea to reduce the nitrogen consumption and also to reduce the cycle time. And here, the PRV regulator monitoring is something like monitoring is very much important for false airflow due to the diaphragm damage, and then plunger jamming is also very much important. So when how frequently you're going to check it, or how frequently you're going to monitor it in the process, that should be a part of the idea, and that should come out of some of the principles. Okay, so that's why it's very important that look at all the angles, and then you need to check on regular basis with respect to the tankers, flange joint, and rubber joints. And yeah, these are the things. Now let us put the individual thing. Let us see what is the idea we are getting. See, when you're going for a segmentation, okay, you divide the process and create ideas by segmentation. You analyze the stages. So whatever the stages you are telling, for all these ideas or for all these stages, you analyze each and every individual ideas and divide it into the independent thing, like you break down it, okay, so that it will be useful for you to take it for the process. Okay, so you have to apply the breakdown structure for the process. And here disassemble means it's like this assembly disassembly may not be applicable for a process. This is applicable for a product. We can delete this, okay. And accuracy of analyzing the process to achieve the value is very important. Okay, this is very important. You can have this and taking out. So how to avoid nitrogen consumption? Okay. So this is how you need to look into it. You remove some of the unnecessary motion, or you can avoid handling. Okay. Local quality indicates. You also need to include the quality requirements for the product product to process is going to meet. So you can use the best operation methods to achieve the quality and also efficient operation. You always look for multiple operation functions using the same process. If this is applicable here. Asymmetry, change the shape of an object. If this is applicable, you can also look into it. Otherwise, accuracy of analyzing the shape to achieve value. Okay, even this, if it's applicable, you can look into it. Otherwise, not required. We're going to merge and then you are going to combine. Is this going to be applicable here for this process? Are you going to merge or eliminate something? So what you're going to do is you are going to add some of the methods where you're going to look for arresting the leakage. Okay, here you're going to make operation continuous or parallel. You're going to have one more parallel operation, okay, to bring them together in time. Okay, so this can be applicable, okay, because you're going to have some monitoring system, some technique system, okay, can be the part of merging or combining, okay. And what else? What can be related to the process? So you can try to deploy this even to the other plant. If you are taking the Kalinganagar, if you implement this, you can also look for the deployment. Or if you have any other thing done similar, you can, with that as reference, you can implement here for your process also.
We will go through it, sir. If any requirement will come, I will contact with you, sir. We'll do
this, sure. And you can also identify some of the unnecessary movement, something related to that.
Yeah. Okay, you have shared already this sheet. I think we have this sheet.
And with respect to weight details, if it is not applicable, you can eliminate it. If it is something. And some precautionary things also you need to do with the preliminary action and primary anti-action. Well ahead, we have to take some precautionary thing. And the next one is going to be a kind of the UP potential, which is nothing but changing the dimensions. And the other way around, you can also you have to do it in another way. Okay, you have to reverse the process such a way. Reverse means you can do it in upside down, like but without affecting the function. That is very important. How you are going to check it? How those ideas can also be brought using that. Yes, when you say 7 ideas or 7 ways to reduce cost, you also have some challenges, new challenges, right? Challenges you need to look. That's why this 40 principles are helping you. Even if you want to change the shape, size to such a way, even to reduce the nitrogen composition, even that also can be good. You can take it. You have to optimize the manufacturing condition with respect to the dynamics, process during the process movement. Then partial or excessive actions, you need to have the actions accordingly. You also look for another dimensions, another way how you can implement this process. Basically, material handling, that is what we have discussed. And the mechanical vibration, what we have discussed is to reduce the cycle time, basically. And you have to do the maintenance on time. So this is what periodic action. Whatever the leakage we are doing, right? All these are kind of the periodic action we need to take. Okay. So principle 19 will be applicable for us. And what is the continuity of useful action? Okay, whether you're going to eliminate some of the intermittent actions of work, or what is the continuity you have? So, are you going to skip any process? Okay, sometimes it's not necessary to look into all the things, but But you try applying. If it is not applicable, it's okay, leave it. And principle order 22. Okay, are you going to reuse something, like if in case any you are going to convert the lemons into lemonade, or are you going to convert the waste into a useful product out of which you are going to save some money? And that also you can think of it. Or even if you say that if you are consuming so much nitrogen, are you going to get saved something after the process? Even that also you can take into consideration. The feedback, okay, the feedback is very much important, where you go for a automation, basically from mechanical to electronics, or programmer one, even you can also look into those things. And intermediately, something what you can have some ideas such a way that should be a temporary, and afterwards you can convert that temporary solution into a permanent solution. And you can use best the resource, and then you can make an object to serve by itself without the support of other thing, self-service. And the next one is going to be copy. You can also put some benchmark with your competitor, and you see how they are reducing the energy consumption or nitrogen consumption. This also can be applied. And how best you can do the cheapening and start living objects, how you can replace the inexpensive part to an expensive, affordable cost. And you can look for substitution, mechanical to electronics. And if you go here, you go for a nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen means what are like different things you can also look for it. Okay, to improve the process, and you can look for flexible cells and prints. Here you can go for some dimension-based structures. You can also reduce the weight by looking for some of the porous material. You can also change the shape. Okay, what is the color of the shape? What is the color of the process? You have any color specifically for this nitrogen?
Yes, sir. Color is there, nitrogen yellow color.
And again, is there any other color that normally nitrogen will have, or it will be always a yellow color?
No, it is always nitrogen, always yellow color.
Okay. Homogeneity, how you can make the process homogeneous, how we can discard some of the stages, recover some of the things. Any parameter if you want to change. And if you want to change this transition, and again, this may not be applicable here. And here, even the transition, okay, that all the nitrogen is related to the transition, phase transition. Even you can try this, but for this, you need to take in what context. That's why even you can involve technical technology team here. They will also give some suggestions. Thermal expansion, strong oxidants, inert atmosphere. Okay, and finally, we want to select a material. Okay, see, even how you are going to get the nitrogen? Is it you have the nitrogen generation plant, like the air is consisting of oxygen, nitrogen, and trace gases. Okay, so are you going to separate the nitrogen from the air through some of the process you have? Whether that process is done in Jamipal or it is done outside? How you are getting this nitrogen consumption? What is the process that you follow?
We are getting from the Tata Steel, sir.
You are going to get the liquefied nitrogen, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it in the form of gas?
Yes.
So LNG, liquefied nitrogen gas, right?
Yeah.
And you are using that LNG for what application?
Basically, our material is a lime. Earlier, it was the carbide. So carbide was too much sensitive about the.
Can you repeat? Hello?
Moisture, if moisture will contact, the acetylene gas will form, it will blast. So considering the carbide, the plant was done for the nitrogen. Now nitrogen 99.99, there should not be any moisture. Similar for the lime condition also. Lime, if you will handle the lime through the compressed air, there will be the moisture and it will be lime will absorb the moisture. So nitrogen is the better for the handling of the nitrogen and carbide-based compounds.
No, I lost your signal in between. See, I'm not able to understand. I'm not follow up. So what you are telling is after the nitrogen which is coming from gas from your Tata Steel, right? It is coming from Tata Steel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how like after that how you use it for your process? I need to understand that. I'm not getting it. Just some signal issue was there.
After getting the Tata Steel, there is the only gas train is there, pressure regulating valve, and according to process requirement, just controlling the flow and pressure and using the nitrogen.
Okay.
Yes. It's just like a compressed air or nitrogen. We are only using the process like the back filter purging. We are using it for the.
Can you go for some advanced technology? Can you go for advanced technology such a way the consumption can be reduced? Even that also you can do some background study or background research. How you can use some advanced technology? What will be the cost involved for reducing the nitrogen consumption using that particular technology? And you can also create a business case how for that particular thing.
Presently, for the latest technology, we came to know about this material handling. Whatever the earlier pipe were used for the nitrogen, that will due to the leakage on the uniform gasket or valves, there is number of leakage. This aluminum or SS type pipes are there is no leakage, better life due to their sealed material. This is number one, and then second is the process optimization. The wherever they're utilizing the nitrogen, what is the design parameter, what is the actual, like as per design, the plant is designed for the 10 millibar only pressurized systems has to be maintained. But in 10 millibar design, it is maintained or not, that we have to look and accordingly just optimize the process. And earlier, the material utilizing for the carbide-based compound, its per density was higher. Nowadays, lime is compared to the carbide is the lightweight material. So certainly the consumption will be less. So basically if you are finding the knowledge and information is the main thing in place of the technology and all those things. What is the design parameter? What is actually happening? What is the gap? This will reduce. And specifically design alternate of the nitrogen and no the other material we have got for the design purpose. My point is clear, sir?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
What you are looking for the replacement of the nitrogen, if you replace the nitrogen from the other high technology or other equipment.
Yeah, otherwise can you instead of you getting the thing from the Tata Steel, what you can do is can you extract the nitrogen from the air? Because you can separate the nitrogen from the air, okay, oxygen into you can oxygen and the air nitrogen, right? You can separate it, and nowadays you also have because of this COVID, oxygen is highly demand. You can also see there is one more TRIS process. Okay, this is a TRIS process where you have blessing in disguise, which means you need to convert the waste into a useful thing. Okay, so for you here, nitrogen is useful, oxygen is not required. Okay, yeah, this is what blessing in disguise means, which means you can use this into two ways. One means you have to eliminate a harmful thing. Okay, one means you have to eliminate a harmful thing. Another one is you can use the unwanted thing into a wanted one, right? And now the oxygen and nitrogen, when you are separating, okay, this nitrogen can be used for your plant and oxygen can be used for the medical hospitals and for the treatment. And you see here, this was something like strong oxygens. And again, you also have the Tata is also having the group of hospitals, right? Tata Tata Group hospitals in Jamshedpur, right? And actually, and even you can also look for some of the things where this can also be used for some of the multiple purpose within your own group of companies, not one company. See how you can use this for your group companies. Hope you understood what I was telling, right? Or have you understood?
We have done this exercise. We have done this exercise. Basically, presently, what we are getting from the steel plant, for steel plant, nitrogen is the wastage. Okay, but wherever we have worked for the nitrogen plant, and what is the process? What are the process details? What is the economic one? That exercise we have done for the new plant, not for the existing. For existing plant, we are getting one gap, sir, other than this, the new process of what you have explained. Just in last page, you have mentioned about the reuse. We are under discussion with the parties under this value engineering also. Whatever we are using the nitrogen, this is the wasting into the air. So if we will reuse it, recirculation of it, it will save some nitrogen. But the process is not there. We have to work on this, how we can implement. Reuse was there, sir. You have just shown.
Yes, sir.
So this is in our consideration. We are doing exercise for the reuse of the what we are presently wasting into the air. We can reuse it.
Good. Yeah. You can. I will send this modified twist process what we have done today, and you can use this, and you can try to create new ideas as well, if in case come across any of the things, and we can look for.
Please once again send this sheet also, sir. Please
yeah, I will send this one modified one.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, and thanks a lot. And we will see
next much, sir.
Thanks, Mr. VK Singh, and thanks, Rajesh Shukla, and thanks, team members. So it goes.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir.